In the previous video, I showed you how to make this paper box, and today I will be showing you how I made this one. Again, I used only newspaper rolls to make it and it turned out quite nicely as well. The process of making this one is a little different, and if you are thinking of attempting this, then make sure you take very accurate measurements, otherwise your box in the end will not look as good as it could. These are all the basic things that I used, and you will not need anything special for making this craft project. So I used newspaper sheets measuring 9 centimeters in width and they are almost 20 centimeters long. It took me a while to get these newspaper sheets into this dimension. Now to make paper rolls, you will have to make paper cuts like this. Then take the iron skewer or something similar to it in shape and simply start rolling the paper from one corner. Once you have finished rolling all the paper onto the iron rod, simply take out the rod and stick the other end of the paper to the paper roll itself. While taking the paper roll out from the iron skewer, I made sure I hold the paper roll in shape, and this will ensure the consistency and diameter between all the rolls. And finally, in this way I made a total of 60 rolls of length 9 centimeters, and now it's time to stick them together to make the sides of the box. I used 20 rolls for making the length of the box and I used 10 rolls for making the width of the box. While sticking them, I made sure to keep them on a flat surface to make the sides as flat as possible. After making the sides, I brought the two sides together at an angle of 90 degrees using this piece of wood, and this helped me ensure the shape of the box. Once this was done, I brought these two pairs of sides together to finally make all four sides of the box. Now to make the base of the box, I used a total of 10 paper rolls measuring 13 centimeters in length. Again, I stuck all these 10 rolls together to make the base of the box, and now it's time to join the sides of the box to the base of the box. I used glue on all four corners of the base and slowly placed all four sides over this base to complete the overall structure. Here I left it for some time for the glue to dry and settle. And in this way I made this rolled paper box which looks quite nice. So that I think pretty much covers almost everything. If you enjoyed watching, do show your support by pressing the like button down below, and for any suggestions or any future videos, please use the comment section down below. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one.